Hi everyone, let's explore how to use a timesheet report. Begin by selecting your preferred project. Next, head to the top menu and select Timesheet. From there, locate and click on the Report option. Afterward, look for and select the Add Report button. You'll find the timesheet report form on your screen, where you can opt to generate reports based on users or projects. Choosing project will populate the project drop-down with your available projects. For instance, I'll demonstrate by selecting a user. I'll navigate through the user drop-down and choose a specific individual. Then, just name the report and pick a timeframe using the calendar. Once done, hit the Save button. Once you're done, you've created a report for that user. From here, you can edit, export, or share the report. And that's how you use the timesheet report. You can click on the view to see the report clearly. Thank you for watching.